Hi, I'm Josh Ward with Alpha Hosting. Today I want to talk to you for a few minutes about our Apollo, Gemini, and Mercury cloud hosting packages. We're based in Huntsville, Alabama, aka Rocket City, and so we named these packages after famous NASA space missions. As we're building out these packages, there were a few things that were really important to us, and one of those was to make sure that these were simple and complete. To that end, there's some features that we've provided across all three packages. The first thing I want to mention is that these are all dedicated cloud solutions. No shared hosting, no shared resources. The second is our one-click installs of Redis and Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch specifically is free. We don't charge for an additional instance of Elasticsearch like some hosting companies do. It's really important to a strong e-commerce experience to have a powerful search engine, and Elasticsearch can be that for your site. We also include Cloudflare, DNS, SSL, backups, migrations, and a lot of other things across the board on all three of these packages. We really want them to be complete. As you look at the packages, you may ask, how do I know which one is right for me? And that's a great question. We answer that one quite a bit. So I'm going to start with the Mercury package. It's really our entry-level package. So if you have a new site, or let's say a site that's seeing less than 1,000 visitors per day, then that Mercury plan is really going to be the best fit for you. I want to zero in on one of the tech specs, one of the resources that we offer with all of our packages, and that is the number of PHP workers. You can think of a PHP worker as the number of visitors that are all taking an action at the same time on your website. That action may be checking out, it may be clicking on a link to a new blog post, it may be changing the number of products in their shopping cart. Whatever it is, on the Mercury plan, you can have 25 of those actions happen all at the same time. A good way to gauge about how many people you may have active on your site at the same time is to look in your Google Analytics account at the number of real-time visitors and just see where are your peaks, how many people do you have at max times during the day on your site, maybe taking action. While it's not an apples-to-apples comparison to PHP workers, it's a fair estimate and will give you a good gauge when you're trying to pick the right package. As you move up to the Gemini and the Apollo package, again, most of the things that change are the amount of resources that you receive, storage, RAM, CPUs, and the number of PHP workers. At the Gemini level, you may be able to handle somewhere between 5,000 to 10,000 visitors per day. And at the Apollo level, you could probably handle 10,000 to 25,000 visitors per day. It really depends on what platform are you running. Is it WordPress, WooCommerce, Magento, and how you've architected the site. Those are all things that we can help you decipher and dig into and make the right recommendation as to which package to go for. Hopefully you've got some idea of what these packages include and what they can do today. I appreciate you watching. Please stay tuned for more videos and updates from Alpha Hosting.